Hi, have you ever wanted to take a photo and make it into a sketch? Or vice versa, have a sketch and make it into a lifelike photo? Well, there are two separate options in Canva that you can do just that with. I'm Kim from the Graphic Designer and the Canva Ambassador. Let me go to my Canva screen and I'll show you how these two apps that do the opposite to each other work. Let's find these. Go into apps on the left-hand side here. And the first one, which is Photo to Sketch, is a new app. It's under the new and noteworthy. Let me go to an Instagram post. And as I said, this is Photo to Sketch. So I need to upload my image, and I'm going to use the one that I've been using recently, an image of my horse. I will put in my transparent background on as well. I'm not too keen on that background anyway. And then just click to transform it into a sketch. And I'll leave this in real time as always, so you can see how long it takes for the Photo to Sketch app to work its magic. It's taking a little time. This is quite a large image. We'll see how it works. You might want to fast forward here because it does take quite a time to finish this. I don't know by asking if it was transparent background creates more effort or less. It's something that you'd need to test if you want to use this. It's still wearing away. But I don't want to split up even further by going and trying the other way around, which is the sketch to life. Well, this is taking a while. And here we are. Well, not exactly right. It's got a bit furry around the nose. There are some hairs there, but they're very hard to see, but they seem to have added quite a lot. They seem to have made his face very dark and lost his eyes in terms of detail. It's an interesting app, but I would say the Photos to Sketch app still needs some work. Not quite that, which means this is one that I will not be rushing into using. Let's go back and have a look at the other. Now, because I'm in the new blurred up screen, I have to be careful how I go back. I'll close that down. And let me go to apps again. And this one is under the AI apps. It's been around for a while. I thought since we had the two options, it'd be quite fun to see the two together. Apps being added in so quickly nowadays and updated, it's worthwhile keeping an eye on what's going through, see if there's something that appeals to you. So this is Sketch to Life. And this one's going to be an embarrassing one for me, because you'll see just how bad I am at drawing, which I have always said I can't draw a straight line, and you'll see that evidence now. The fact I can't draw is exactly why I created the Graphic Designer, and I love using Canva. Now here you have to add your own sketch. It says then you need to describe it. I'm going to do a tree, probably a very poor tree. You see, I told you, particularly not with a mouse, I'm even worse. And let's put some branches on here. And what, there's some more branches. I did say I couldn't draw a straight line, and you can see they're two with the last. That's absolutely evidenced. Let's put some leaves on this tree. These leaves are not looking very good, are they? We'll just add smaller. Again, make a decent photo out of this. They're doing very well. And as you can see, we've got 4 credits remaining today. You have 5 credits in total. And so I've used one and I have 4 left. Let me describe this tree. There are lots of leaves, though I didn't draw that many. So they weren't very effective leaves anyway. And I was still leave at that. I want you to see just how well this works. Then click generate. Again, I'll leave this to do it in real time. This seems to be moving much quicker than it is to go from a photo to a sketch. I wrote my tree. Actually, it's very effective considering how poor my drawing was. I think that's a very good tree. Today's apps were Sketch to Life and Photos to Sketch. I hope you found these useful, and hopefully you can draw a better sketch than I can. And I'll see you next week.